Right, this Wilesco D101 is just about coming to the boil. First time I've seen this since acquiring it earlier on this week. So it's a D10 essentially, but on a slightly bigger base plate with a small line shaft with a grinder and circular saw attached. Made sometime in the 90s, now discontinued. So without any further ado, we'll give this one a try and see what happens. I've got a tube attached to the exhaust here going into a chuff pot, which is an old Chinese takeaway container. There's this rather useful little bowl around the engine. It's not going to contain all the effluent that comes out of the engine. Compact little engine, much smaller than the D24 alongside it. It's a very pleasing little unit just the same. This is running on about 180 cc's of water and 3 Mamod solid fuel tablets. There might be a little bit of a room there to fit some extension onto that line shaft and maybe put an M66 dynamo. Something to think about for the future. There you have it, the Wilesco D101 workshop.